revising, right, students? So we'll be revising stats. Right? So primarily, students, we have three topics in this chapter. One is mean, median, and mode of the group data. All of you know what is group data, students? What is group data? All of you know what is group data, students? Am I audible or not? Am I audible? If I am audible, please raise your hand, students. So please, anyone then respond what is mean by the group data. Yes, front bench girl students, please tell me one of you, center girl in the center line, front bench. Please tell me what do you mean by group data.
सर जो इंटरवल्स में होता है
इंटरवल में होता है, जो इंटरवल में नहीं होता बेटा, व्हाट इज द नेम फॉर दैट डाटा?
अनग्रुप्ड डाटा
अनग्रुप्ड डाटा, राइट. ठीक है, एंड द टेक्निकल नेम फॉर दैट डाटा इज डिस्क्रीट डाटा. So we'll be focusing on group data, how to find out mean, median, and mode. When we find the mean, we have three methods to find out the mean. The first method is known as
method.
second is
Assume method.
assumed mean method. It's not only assumed, it is assumed mean. Why it is called assumed mean? Because we assume the mean in the form of A, right? जो ऑलमोस्ट सेंट्रल आपका ग्रुप होता है, सेंट्रल जो ऑफ द डाटा होता है, वी टेक द मीन फ्रॉम दैट, वी एज्यूम द मीन. एंड देन द थर्ड मेथड इज स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड. So I hope all of you know how to do the shortcut method or assumed mean method and step deviation method. Yes or no, students? Now tell me what is the formula for direct method?
Excuse me, sir.
Haji ma'am.
Sir, right now we have discussed just only the direct method. Assume mean method is left right now.
Right. So, okay, no problem. Then I'll do accordingly. So
Yes.
students,
Step
direct method you know. What is the formula for that? Summation
F5.
right? So I'll explain you what is the assumed mean method, students, right? So we take an example. Let's say we have this class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Let's say we have this data. The frequency of this data is 3, 7, 11, 13, 6, 2. Is this clear, students? Now this is given. You can do this question. You have to find the mean of this data. You can do it by the direct method also, but we'll understand what is the assumed mean method. The first and the foremost thing is what we have to take class marks. You know what is the way to take the class marks?
Yes.
Please tell me what will be the class marks of the first class. 5. You know how to take. This is known as the lower limit. This is upper limit. Lower limit. Very good. So it will become 5. Then
25, 35, 45,
right. Now this step the same as you are supposed to do in the direct method. Now what is the change now? Right. what you have to do, you have to take from these class marks assumed mean. That is called A. Assumed mean. Generally, we take the assumed mean almost the middle of this classes, right? Now here are, we have even number of classes, 6 classes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will have to take the middlemost. If this data would have contained 7 classes, तो हम fourth ले लेते बच्चों, that would have been the middle one. Now either you can take the 25 as assumed mean or 35. It hardly matters which one you take. Shall we take 25 or 35? Tell me.
25.
35. So we take the assumed mean as 30. Now what we have to do, we have to find here DI. What is DI? It is the difference of the class marks and assumed mean. Right, students? So DI is xi minus a. 5 minus 35. What it will become?
30.
Minus 30. 15 minus 35. Right?
0.
Is it clear? Any doubt? Next column you will take the product of frequency and DI. Means this is Fi. Product of Fi and DI. 3 into minus 30.
Minus 90.
7 into minus 20.
Minus 140.
Minus 10 into 11.
Minus 110.
0 into 13.
0.
0. 13 नहीं लिख देना बच्चों. 6 into 10.
3.
Then 2 into 20.
40.
Now you have this formula. Just have the look at the formula. The formula is mean is equal to assumed mean plus summation Fi di upon summation Fi. This is the formula, students. Now, what is the summation Fi? Summation Fi is your total frequency. Please tell me what is the total of this frequency. Yes. So what is summation Fi?
42.
42. Now we have to find the summation of summation Fi di. What you have to do, माइनस वाली टर्म्स को अलग से ऐड कीजिए, पॉजिटिव टर्म्स ऐड सेपरेटली एंड फाइंड द टोटल. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द summation Fi di. Yes, students, tell me.
Minus 240.
Minus 240 आ रहा है सबका बच्चों? Any doubt till now? Please tell me. Any doubt till now, students? Please tell me. Any of you have not understood any of the steps? So what you have to do, first of all, like the direct method, you have to take the class marks. Then you have to find the DI, which is the difference between the class marks and the assumed mean. What is assumed mean? You have to take the centermost terms of the class marks as assumed mean. Is this clear? Right? So you got summation Fi as well as summation Fi di as well as A. Now put all these three values here. What is A? What is summation Fi di
Minus 240.
upon?
42.
Now you will solve it and you will get the mean. Solve कीजिए student इसको. So 2. So that will be minus 121. Then 3 sevens are. So this comes out to be 35 minus 40 by 7. So 35 minus 35, 7. Is this clear? Is it clear, students?
Yes.
So now what will be the value of mean? 29.21. 29.29. Is this clear? Any doubt, bachcho?
No.
Have you understood this method?
Yes.
Will you do a question?
Yes.
Will you do a question on this?
Yes.
Let me check. So the assignment which I have given, you can do the question number 18 in the assignment, students. The last question in the assignment, please open your assignment. On annual day of a school, 400 students participated in the function. Frequency distributions showing their ages is shown in the following table. Age given 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 11 to 13, and their respective frequencies are also given. You have to find the mean. Just find the mean only by assumed mean method, students. Please try out this question. Have you done, students, median and mode? Can anyone tell me, or the ma'am can tell me? Have we done median and mode? Jyoti ma'am, if you can hear me, can you please tell me whether the classes have done the median and mode or not?
Sir, no.
No, right. Okay, no issues.
Actually, we have discussed just only mean by direct method.
Right,
These are
right, ma'am. Because then we shall focus on the concept part, because this assignment then becomes at least not of use at present now. Right, ma'am? So we'll be doing some question on mean by the assumed mean method and step deviation method. Right, students? So please do the 18th question and find the mean by assumed mean method. Any student have not understood any of the thing, please can ask the questions. Here the age given is your class intervals, right, students? And number of students is your frequency. Yes, student, tell me what will be the xi? What will be the xi?
6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
Now, out of these, which one will assume as assumed mean?
12.
12, right, students? Because there are 7 classes. So 3 ऊपर वाली छोड़ दी, 3 नीचे वाली. So you have 12 as assumed mean, right? Now find out the DI. What will be DI?
12 minus
minus 12 minus 6
minus 4 minus 2 0 2 4 6.
right? Next step is FIDI. Now tell me what will be the FI here
Minus 420
and
minus 480
then
minus 64
then
0
next
90
next
12 30.
right. Now calculate students two things. One is summation FI, it is already given, and summation FIDI. Please tell me these two values. What is summation FI?
400.
400. It is already given the number of students, and the number of student is summation FI. What is summation FIDI? कैलकुलेट करके बताइए जल्दी बच्चे.
Minus 732.
7.
32.
इनका जो सम आ जाता है बच्चों, that will comes out to be minus 964.
Yes.
Here it will be
232.
इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो कितना आ गया?
Minus 732.
Minus 732. Now apply the sum. Where it is gone? Right, students? So then is your mean. That will be A. What is A? 12 plus
Minus 732 divided by 400.
divided by 400. Solve this. This becomes 12 minus 732 can be written as 7.32 by 4. Yes or no? Have you understood? 2 zeros कट के यहाँ पे हमने डेसिमल लगा दिया स्टूडेंट्स. Is it clear? So now it will be 12 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32, 1.83. Is this clear? So what is the mean?
10.17.
Is this clear, everyone? Anything not clear, students, please let me know. Anything not clear? Now we'll try to solve this question by step deviation method. Same question, just slightly different hota hai beta. First and the foremost thing about step deviation method. Please listen carefully. Any student have not understood this method, please ask the questions. Yes, students, any doubt in this method, please let me know. Please let me know, students, if anything is not clear, so that we move to the step deviation method. Or would you like to do one more question? Hanji, students, would you like to do one more question on this? चलिए एक क्वेश्चन लिखिए बेटा. Just have the look at the question number 12. Just have a look at the question number 12 of the assignment. You just have to pick this data and find its mean. Don't read the question, just read the table only. We have been given the data. What is the data, bacho? Given below the distribution of weekly pocket money received by a student of a class. right? So you have to find the mean of the data, right? No need to read the second line, that is a calculate the pocket money that is received by most of the students. Is this clear? Have you understood, students? Have you understood? So please find the mean of this data. So I am just writing the data here. The class interval, that is pocket money.
याना फिर क्या हो गया ये निकलो कोई नहीं करता ऐसा
अच्छा ये 8 to 100 है ना, इसको प्लीज 80 to 100 कीजिए जरा. And the frequency, that is the number of students, will be 2, 2, 3, 12, 18. Please do calculate the mean for this data. And anyone has completed this question? And anyone done this question?
सर थोड़ा सा रह गया लास्ट
Okay, please. हाँ जी बेटा बोलिए, क्या डाउट है? बॉयज ब्लू शर्ट फ्रंट बेंच। हाँ जी हाँ जी, बताइए बेटा क्या डाउट है, मुझसे पूछिए। हाँ जी, सेकंड बेंच पे जो स्टूडेंट है, प्लीज प्लीज स्टैंड अप। रेड शर्ट के पीछे जो बच्चे बैठा, हाँ प्लीज स्टैंड अप बेटा। ये जो आप जिसको दिखा रहे थे उस बच्चे को उठाइए। आपके साथ वाली रो में सेकंड बेंच, योर लेफ्ट साइड, योर राइट साइड, सॉरी राइट साइड पे, तो राइट साइड सेकंड। राइट कौन सा है बेटा आपका? हाँ जी, आप स्टैंड अप। हाँ आइए बेटा, आगे आइए। आपको नहीं क्लियर हुआ बेटा ये कॉन्सेप्ट?
थोड़ा सा रहता है।
क्या नहीं समझ आया बेटा, बताइए मेरे को।
लास्ट स्टेप
लास्ट स्टेप क्या है? फार्मूला में वैल्यूज पुट कर रही है लास्ट स्टेप में। तो आपने समीशन एफ आई निकाल दिया, कितना आया?
7.44
हाँ जी, 44 आ गया, राइट। और समीशन एफ आई डी आई कितना है आपका? हाँ जी,
क्या पूछ रहे हो?
समेशन एफ आई डी आई। यहाँ तक पहुंचे या नहीं पहुंचे? हैव यू रीच्ड दिस पॉइंट और नॉट? नहीं, सिट डाउन। हाँ जी, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव डन, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स। ओनली। हाँ जी बेटा, आप ये जो बॉयज सेक्शन है ना, एसी बॉयज, सेकंड बेंच पे थर्ड रो, गर्ल स्टूडेंट येलो शर्ट, प्लीज कम। गर्ल स्टूडेंट, हाँ जी आप आ जाइए। यस बच्चे जो, हाँ प्लीज प्लीज कम। हैव यू डन इट?
सर यस।
हाँ जी बताइए बेटा, क्या क्या किया, यहाँ पे क्या लिया आपने? टेल मी व्हाट इज द एक्स आई?
सर -60।
एक्स आई, एक्स आई, एक्स आई।
सर 10।
10। बोलते जाओ आगे बेटा।
सर 30,
50।
50, 70, 90, 110, 130।
राइट। व्हाट इज डी आई?
सर -60।
हाँ जी, एज्यूम मीन, व्हाट इज द एज्यूम मीन बच्चे?
70,
70, राइट। सो 10 minus 70
-60,
minus
60,
40 minus 20.
-20, 0, 20, 40, 60,
Right. What is summation FIDI?
-120,
Minus 120, right?
-80,
Then हाँ जी बोलिए।
-60,
Minus 60, then
0,
right,
360,
360,
200,
right,
120.
120. What is the summation FIDI? What is the summation FIDI?
44.
It is summation fi हुआ ना 44 तो
420.
by di. So this comes out to be minus 260 and this is 360 plus 2806 plus 680. तो subtract करके कितना आया बच्चों?
420.
420. So now you have to find out the mean. Formula for mean is a plus summation. And the value of a is plus 420 over
44.
हाँ जी कैलकुलेशन किया तो कितना आ गया बेटा ये
70 plus 9.6.
70 plus 9.5
0.54.
हाँ जी कैलकुलेट करके कितना आ गया बेटा ये
79.54.
एनी स्टूडेंट हैव एनी डाउट प्लीज लेट मी नो कोई डाउट बेटा इसमें अगर ये क्लियर है तो देन वी मूव टू द स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड राइट चलिए स्टूडेंट स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड देखते हैं नाउ स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग दिस मेथड इज अप्लाइड ओनली व्हेन द क्लास इंटरवल का जो क्लास साइज है बेटा यूनिफॉर्म है फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई हैव अ डाटा लेट्स से आई हैव टू डाटास one is 0 to 10 10 to 20 20 to 30 right another data is class interval 0 to 10 10 to 20 20 to 40 40 to 70 right so I cannot apply the step deviation here right I cannot apply because for step deviation to be applied the interval should be uniform is this clear is this clear students so always look at this point the interval should be uniform generally it is uniform in most of the cases but still you have to look into this second thing is see how to do this let we have the class interval 0 to 10 10 to 20 20 to 30 30 to 40 right this is the class interval then we have the frequency this is the frequency how to do this next step is same that is finding the class marks all the three methods this step is same so now what will be the class marks please tell me students
25, 35, 45.
now tell me what will be the assumed mean in this you have to take assumed mean in this method also what will be the assumed mean
35.
35 because it is a middlemost term right
Yes.
look at the next step very carefully right next step we take in place of di we take ui what is ui xi minus a upon h now what is h anyone the h is the class width what is the class width here what is the class width but how to find out the class width students upper limit of the class minus lower limit what is the upper limit every class it will be uniform. 10 minus 0, 10. 20 minus 10, 10. 30 minus 20, 10. So what is the value of h? 10. Now this method is used where we have the big terms. We have to make the calculations easy. This method is applied, right? So what will be ui? Xi, that is 5 minus 35 upon 10. What it becomes? See, 5 minus 35 over 10. Minus 3. Similarly, next 15 minus 35 over 10. What it become? 15 minus 35 over 10.
Minus 2.
Similarly, 25 minus 35 over 10.
Minus 1.
Minus,
1.
are you getting it?
Yes.
You would have done this question by assumed mean method. Here it will be minus 30, minus 20, minus 1. But here in the step deviation method, it will be
Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3.
always remember one thing. Whatever will be the class marks, there will be same gap between the two consecutive terms of the class mark as is the difference between the class interval. Here the difference is of 10. Here also the difference is of 10. Here also the same difference will be there. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Is this step clear, students?
Yes.
Now, next step is here it will be Fi Ui, the product of frequency and Ui. What it becomes?
Minus 12. Minus 14. Minus 11.
Below 9.
6.
Next step is also same. Find the summation Fi. What is summation Fi? Anji. It comes out to 53.
Yes.
Yes. So what will be summation Fi Ui? इनका टोटल कितना आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? So this comes out to be minus 14.
Yes.
So now what the formula is? The formula is A plus H into summation Fi Ui over summation Fi. Is this clear? So what was A?
35.
What was H?
10.
Into
Minus 14 upon.
minus 14 upon 53. Right, students? So this becomes 35 minus. You solve this, you will get the answer. Is this clear? Please solve this. हाँ जी स्टूडेंट कितना आया? This comes out to be 2.34, 340, approximately 2.7 something, right? ठीक है, 140 को जब आपने डिवाइड किया 3 से 106 34, right? So this comes out to be 7, not 7, 6, 8. This comes out to 220 approximately 6 4. This will be 6 4, right? This comes out to be 32.36. Right, students?
So
Any
yes.
doubt? Is this clear?
Yes.
Now you have done the mean of the question number 18 by shortcut method. Have you done?
Yes.
Now find this question by the step deviation method and check whether the answer is same or different.
Yes, sir.
Please do the question number 18 by the step deviation method now and check is it same or different. Any student have not understood, please let me know. Please try the question number 18 by the step deviation method. Student, is this method clear? How many students have understood the step deviation method? Please raise your hands. हाँ जी, काफी बच्चों के हैंड्स अप नहीं है जी। बताइए क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। जिन बच्चों को क्लियर है प्लीज हाथ डाउन कर लीजिए। Anyone who has not understood this method, students? Okay. Please do then the question number 18 by the step deviation method. Front bench student, boy section, no talking. Red and blue shirt. Stop talking, students. If you have some doubt, please ask me. And anyone has finished? हाँ जी स्टूडेंट बताइए क्या डाउट्स आ रहे हैं? I think some points are not clear in this topic. Done?
Yes.
Yes. क्या सेम आ रहा है आंसर डिफरेंट आ रहा है बच्चों? सेम आ गया?
Yes.
हाँ जी देखिए the answer is coming out to be the same. Now tell me what are the value of ui? What are the values of ui?
-3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3.
Very good बच्चों. And what is fiui?
-210,
-32, 46, 15.
Very good. And what is the sum total of fiui? Minus
366.
366. Very good students. So you have got the same answer in the step division as well as shortcut method. So any doubt in these two methods?
No.
So mean part is covered, right? So in the next class, we'll try to cover the median and modes. Right, students? Okay, students, thank you very much. Thanks a lot, teachers, for your cooperation.